We are going over our box steps today. When we talk about our box steps, we need to first understand that basic step that I taught last week. And from there, we're going to essentially combine the leader's half of that and our followers' half. The term box step really just references any of the dances. So we're talking about your foxtrot, your waltz, your rumba. And the box step just means that you're moving in a box type shape on the floor. I start with the foxtrot box step when we're in class because it gives you the ability to move in pairs, and it teaches your feet what is squared off and how your feet combine and step apart. My leader portion here is in red, and my follower's perspective is in blue. So the leader would step forward with their left foot, touch, move to the side, and bring the other foot together. Then we step backwards, so this would be how the follower starts. The follower steps backwards with their right foot, touches together, steps to the side, and brings their other foot in. We do the same thing with our waltz. The only difference is now we don't touch our feet together. So we would step forward, immediately step to the side with our right foot and bring our left foot in. From our follower's perspective, we would step our right foot back, left to the side, and bring our right foot in. The leader still has to start with the left foot forward. The follower always starts with the right foot backwards. And then you just move each respective side. So again, you still have to start with that basic step that I taught last week, but now you're also doing what your partner was taught. When you go to take your steps, you always want to make sure that you are hip distance apart. A while back, I did a video on your ballroom positions. Now you're going to implement that and make sure that you're hip distance apart. Stepping forward would be your fourth position, or backwards, that would be your fourth position. And then when you step to the side, that would be your second position. When you step together, you're in your first position, regardless of which dance you're doing. Now you can also do a box step for your rumba. You kind of make a blend between your waltz and your foxtrots, in which case then you're doing the waltz formation, but you're using the foxtrot counts. So you would go 1, hold 2, step 3, 4, 1, hold 2, step 3, 4. So you can take everything that we learned last week and kind of reapply it. We don't traditionally use box steps, however, in dances like salsa or our swing. I will see you tomorrow as we progress from our box step and talk about our progressions. I will see you then.